Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically save your avatars on Roblox. So I have a lot, so I'm just going to go to avatar here, going to go to customize, and let's customize an outfit. Okay, for instance, this one, I'm going to go to classic pants here, and I'm going to use this one. So to save this outfit, you're just going to go to the characters section and then press the plus button, and then you can either save as new, update existing characters, or manage characters. So select save as new, and I'm going to just type in new and press save. If you want to remove it, actually I think you have to go to manage characters to remove it. Not quite sure though. Okay, select and then press delete to remove, and it's not going to be in the collection anymore. And then to switch to the avatar you want, you're just going to press switch, and then that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!